Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will be learning about customizing the environment. To customize our working Microsoft Word environment, we have to go to the Office button and click on the Office button. You will find Word options here. Click on this option. Then a new window will come up, and inside which all the required settings to customize our environment is given. In the Popular tab, there will be some popular option like username and initials, along with language settings. Second is Display tab, in which all the settings for display is given, and we can alter these settings as our needs. Third is proofing, which is very important if you are writing a document which required a lot of proofing. Fourth is save. In this tab, all the settings required to customize the saving ability is given, like the path where you want to save the file, recovery, default file location, and etc. In the Advanced tab, there are some advanced options for working with Microsoft Word is given, like editing options, cut, copy and paste options, showing the document content options, display options, print, save and general options. In the Customize tab, there are many options given. Here is our quick access toolbar. We can add and remove commands and tools back and forth. Then there are add-ons. If you want to manage your add-ons, you can do it from here. This is the Trust Center tab. It helps you to keep your document safe. And resources, which you can customize according to your needs. If you want to change any of the option, feel free to change them and then click on OK. And hence the settings would be changed and our working environment for Microsoft Word will be customized as our needs. Thank you.